Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix escape from Tarkov error, unhandled exception, Steam app ID not found in environment variables. So if you're getting this error in escape from Tarkov game, then here follow the fixes. Fix is uncheck run this program as administrator for BSG launcher exe file. So open Steam, then go to library. Then right click on escape from Tarkov game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path will be C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, escape from Tarkov folder. Now what you have to do, you have to open the launcher folder, then right click on BSG launcher exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab. Now if run this program as administrator is checked marked, then you have to uncheck it. So simply untick it, then hit on apply and then OK. You must hit apply and OK to save changes. And then just simply run this BSG launcher from the game installation folder from here itself by double clicking it, and this will launch the launcher and you can play the game and you will not receive the Steam app ID not found error. But if you want to run BSG launcher as admin, then simply right click on this BSG launcher exe file and then select run as administrator. By this way you can run the BSG launcher as an administrator. This will also launch the game and you will not receive the error anymore. So by following this fix, you can easily solve escape from Tarkov game error, unhandled exception, Steam app ID not found in environment variables. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.